Today, I'm diving deep into one of the universe's most mesmerizing and mysterious phenomena, black holes. But why are these cosmic giants often spotted in the distant regions of space? Let's unravel this mystery together. So, what exactly is a black hole? Imagine the sun, but instead of shining brightly, it collapses under its own gravity into a point so dense that not even light can escape from it. That's a black hole for you, nature's very own trapdoor in the fabric of spacetime. Now, on to our big question. Why do we often find black holes in remote corners of the universe? You see, black holes are born from the deaths of massive stars, far larger than our sun. These stars live fast and die young, exploding as supernovae that can outshine entire galaxies. It's these explosive deaths that give birth to black holes. But why distant? Well, the universe is a big place and it's expanding. The light from these star deaths and subsequent black holes takes millions, even billions of years to reach us. So, when we spot a black hole, we're often looking back in time, peering into the universe's distant past. And there's another twist. The farther away something is in the universe, the faster it's moving away from us, thanks to the expansion of space itself. This means the light from distant black holes can get stretched into longer, redder wavelengths, a process known as redshift. So these black holes aren't just far, they're also fleeing. But here's the really cool part. By studying these distant black holes, we can learn a lot about the universe's history, its structure, and how galaxies, stars, and ultimately we ourselves came to be. Each black hole is like a cosmic clue in the great galactic detective story. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, those pinpricks of light are not just stars, but possibly gateways to understanding some of the universe's most profound secrets. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to explore, question, and keep your sense of wonder alive. Until next time, keep looking up.